You get in your car, you turn the key, and you go. Brad, is that my battery or is that my starter? How would I know?
Sometimes the symptom can be almost the same. So we test it to know, right? What the battery capacity is, how much amperage the starter's drawn. That'll tell us if the starter's doing anything at all. But we can tell what's going on with that.
And you were mentioning something else too. It's kind of interesting, and this is how far cars have become. So what can happen? This computer is talking to your battery. No, not talking to your battery. It's talking to your
alternator.
And telling it how much. Maybe explain that, because that was all new to me.
Yeah. So this isn't brand new, but they're all doing it now. So the alternator is what provides the power for all the electrical systems in the car.
Yeah.
It also has to keep the battery charged. Batteries around here will last 5 to 6 years.
Okay.
That's a good life. If it goes beyond that, it's unbelievable. Very rare. But anyhow, the computer tells the alternator how to charge the battery based on how old the battery is. So the older the battery gets, it changes the way it charges it. And so when the battery gets replaced, because eventually it will have to get replaced, you have to tell the computer that it's got a new battery in it. Otherwise, the computer doesn't charge the battery properly, and it will prematurely ruin a new battery. We've seen that over and over and over.
No kidding. So you can't just put a battery and close the hood. It's like you got to know what you're doing. Once
You
again,
gotta know what you're doing.
Yeah. And you guys kind of know what you're doing there, don't you?
We try. Yeah.
It's a few years of experience. you
Yeah,
have?
30 years now.
Yeah, that's 30 years experience. What the heck?
Yeah.
Hey, batteries. Oh, hey, one other question I do want to
Yeah.
ask you about that. And you mentioned batteries typically last 5-6 years.
Yeah.
Do yours come when you replace it? Does it come with a warranty? And is that the right type of battery for the car you're putting
Always.
it in?
Yeah, it's always the right type of battery. We don't put the cheapest battery we can get. It's always about the best value is what we want to do, right?
Okay.
Not the cheapest price, best value. So 336 is on all of our repairs, 3 or 36,000 mile warranty. Batteries are warranted even longer than that. So we like to use a battery, like a Napa AAA battery. So they give you on the road coverage. If the battery goes bad on the road, AAA comes out and they'll put another battery in it.
That's what, like almost every kind of repair these guys do, even fluids they put in your car. It's not only just a new battery, new fluid. It's like all of a sudden your car is like warranted for a while.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat. There's a lot of them. You can find out more about what these guys warranty at the website if you're not already there. And if you aren't, Weber Automotive, get there right now. Take a look at it. Thanks for
Randy.
watching.
Thanks, Randy.